This is going to be a good way to work on your stride and a little bit more of a quick explosive movement with the stability or support from the doorway. So if I start to lose my balance, I don't have to reach for something very far because these doorways are right here. So I'm going to set myself up in a little bit of a small lunge position. And in doing this, I'm getting myself to where I have a fair amount of distance between my front and back foot. I have just a small bend in my front knee and my back leg is pretty straight. I'm trying to focus on my toes being forward. A lot of times that back toe wants to turn out. And I'm also focused on this front knee position. So I'm really big on not letting that knee or my femur angle inward. So when I plant that front foot on the ground, I've got a little bit of pressure into my big toe and I'm pulling my knee out to the side to start. Just like the running or walking pattern, my leg that's back, that arm's going to be forward, right? My hand on the opposite side is going to match my left leg in this back position, right? So it's kind of an exaggeration of walking or running. Now as I come up, I'm going to drive through my front leg, my heel, as I drive through that heel and come up into this single leg balance position. Here people tend to get a little shaky, so they've got the doorway near to create some stability, and then I'll slowly come back. My left hand and my left foot will pass each other as I sit down onto that heel, and then once again I'll drive through the heel, bringing my head straight up into the single leg balance. So you can see from the back, common problems with this are when people go to advance up. One thing is they'll drive up so quickly that they'll throw a big sway into their back. So I want to make sure as I come up, I'm only coming into this position where my back is nice and flat, not where I'm going into excessive arch. Right, so I want to keep that pelvis underneath me. The other thing is that when I go from here to coming forward, I want to think more about driving up towards the ceiling, not forward like this, right? And I want to start off doing it slow so I get the right pattern, right? So I'm coming in and out of this motion slowly. As this leg goes back, I do let my head go forward to counterbalance my back foot. And then I come up tall, nice and slow. And then as I'm getting the hang of it, I'll increase some speed to this. So I'll come back slow, and after that toe hits, I'll try and quickly press through my front heel and drive up into that quick stride. Slowly load back into it, tap the foot with my trunk forward a little, and then my head comes up, quick drive. Just so you can see from the side. I'm here, I use that front heel to drive up, slowly lower back. Toe touches, use that heel to drive up. Just like a pinball machine. I'm loading into that spring and then I'm driving into that motion.